This video is about operationalizing organizational thriving through the Human-Centric Listening Model, or HLM. It details an end-to-end workflow, moving from initial diagnostics to a self-sustaining, continuous listening ecosystem. We are shifting the paradigm from traditional engagement surveys to continuous listening. Traditional surveys are retrospective and episodic, leading to inaction. The HLM system provides frequent, real-time health monitoring, is decentralized, and supports an agile response. Organizational thriving is defined by three dimensions: vitality, learning, and structural conditions. When thriving, employees show 16% better job performance and 32% more commitment, acting as a thriving multiplier. The HLM service workflow has 7 phases. It starts with aligning the vision and establishing trust, moves through diagnostics and continuous listening, and concludes with leadership actions and sustaining talent. Phases 1 and 2 focus on strategy and data governance. This includes the listening charter, which defines goals and data usage, and the anonymity threshold filter. This technical barrier guarantees psychological safety and prevents managerial sleuthing. Phase 3 involves initial diagnostics to establish a baseline. This includes the Fearless Organization Scan, DEI metrics audit, Thriving Community Review, and baseline stay interviews, covering psychological safety, equity, culture, and motivators. Phase 4 is about architecting the Pulse survey. It includes 70% actionable drivers, 20% outcome measures, and 10% qualitative context. The constraint rule limits the survey to 5 to 10 short, non-double-barreled questions monthly to prevent fatigue. Phase 4 continues with the 14-day action loop. Days 1 to 5 are for rapid analysis. Days 6 to 10 are for executive transparency. Days 11 to 14 are for managerial micro-pivots. If you lack the capacity to act in 14 days, do not ask the questions. Phase 5 involves the holistic analysis architecture, which moves from reactive data to predictive action. It uses HRIS and operational data, high-frequency sentiment, leadership efficacy, predictive modeling, and an action ecosystem. Phase 5's strategic reporting cadence includes electronic dashboards for continuous/monthly review by frontline managers and HR. Formal reports are quarterly/annually for executives and external stakeholders, focusing on deep dive strategy and compliance. Phase 6 focuses on the handoff and leadership rhythm. This includes a daily cadence for emotion regulation and micro-pivots, a weekly cadence for huddles and reflections, and a monthly cadence for pulse debriefs and stay interviews. Phase 6 also incorporates courageous conversations. The Jazz Dialogue is a weekly one-on-one, focusing on collaboration and overall well-being. The Stay Interview is a monthly, proactive, structured retention conversation, creating documented stay plans. Phase 7 is about sustaining the culture by hiring for thriving. This process includes values-based rubrics, diverse panels, behavioral interviewing, and deep network background checks, prioritizing competencies in motivating and developing teams. The synthesis of this process is the self-sustaining ecosystem of continuous listening powering continuous learning. This methodology replaces the annual autopsy with a self-sustaining organizational nervous system, making high performance structurally inevitable. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact Dr. Kurt Love at the provided contact details.